So today we're at the Kirstenbosch National Park and we're gonna see what this is all about. I'm super excited. That's the first station of our trip. We'll see what we get done today. It just smells insane here. Like every time you turn around the corner, it smells like a different kind of flower, no matter where you go. It's crazy. I'm not too much the garden plants guy, but I can really recommend going to Kirstenbosch. And there's all these small ways where you can go through. It's really fun walking around here. I have no idea where we're going, but I guess this way looks pretty cool. And the most amazing thing is you always have the mountain, no matter where you are, where you get out, these beautiful plants and the mountain. It's like 35 degrees. I'm sweating just walking here and we're not even climbing yet. So we should have taken water, I guess, but now it's too late. So there's a bridge going through the jungle forest here. I need to get up there fast. That looks awesome. Oh, it is so hot when the sun just touches you. It's like you're sweating out of every pore. But as soon as you're in the shadow, it's fine again. Just 30 degrees, not 35. So that's pretty good. So we're trying to stay in the shadow. It's just one thing we can do in this heat, and this is use the sprinklers to actually cool off a bit. So let's do that. Okay, time to cool off. You know, when little kids jump around in these things, they're usually always super happy. I think I'm happier than any child right now because it's so hot and there's a little bit of wind. So it's really nice to cool off here. Okay, maybe you can see it in my glasses already a bit, but we're chilling here with the most beautiful scenery imaginable. Now we have to get out of this place before I start drying and the heat is coming back. We found this owl here. It's super cute. I don't know if it's afraid or not. This silver tree is unique here and it's actually silver. There's drinking water. Oh, this is so refreshing. Uh-oh, I think there is a dinosaur. The craziest thing just happened. Guess what? It's not allowed to fly drones here, of course, like everywhere. And so the guard came and wanted me to delete all the footage, and I slipped out the micro SD and I was like, there's no footage on it, I don't have a micro SD in there. Anyways, he wanted to fine me like 200 euros and I said, but I didn't take any footage, so like I didn't do anything and I didn't fly inside the park, I was outside the park flying over the park. So in the end he was like, yeah, just leave now and it's gonna be fine. So yeah, I still have the footage, didn't have to pay a fine, and yeah, we're good. So after the little drone incident, we arrived at Monkey Jungle. it's like a park filled with birds and monkeys. So let's see what we can find here.
And they are cute, but you mustn't...
Oh, hello monkey!
Okay, if they feel in danger, they will bite. So you don't want that. You don't want your children to have that kind of experience. That would be a bad experience, when it should be a good experience.
Good experience, yes. Yeah, thank you.
Okay guys, that's it.
Thank you.
Behave. Why are you scared of me now?
So I don't feel too well about caged animals, but we were just in the monkey cage, as you saw, and they're so cute. I never had monkeys jump around on me. That was amazing. So yeah, hypocrite, but now I love caged animals, sort of. I know the movie Black Swan, it was actually pretty good for the fact that it was a dancing movie, but there is actually black swans here. I can't get enough of the monkeys. I want to go back in there immediately, but we already spent half an hour there or something. So let's see what's next. Headed to Rhodes Bay, or I don't know how it's called. And now we're gonna grab some food and see what Rhodes Bay has to offer.